my skin is my own. No one can tell me what is right or what is wrong. Look inside and you will see
that we're not different after all. No. Take my arm, it will be no harm. No. In me I see the stars of the world, the maps that make my home.
I won't let my skin hold me back from anything,
even if it's hurting from within. Just remember my lines. We fought so hard to get here. We should be rising above, living free, live without fear. Don't let it get the best of you. In me I see the stars of the world,
the maps that make my home.
so don't hide behind. There's more than meets the eye. Just take my hand and we'll make them understand. We'll tell the world that it's alright to hold, that it's alright to love. Our skin is our friend. We may look different, so won't you lend a hand so we can look at the brighter days.
So don't hide behind.
There's more than meets the eyes.
Just take my hand and we'll
Make them understand. We'll tell the world that it's alright to hold,
that it's
alright to love.
so don't hide.
Behind, there's more than meets the eyes.
Just take
My hand and we'll make them understand.
we'll tell the world
That it's alright to hold,
that it's
alright to love. My skin is my own. No one can tell me what is right or what is wrong. Look inside and you will see that we're not different after all. No. Take my